Have you heard of a service that lets you buy anything now without paying the full amount upfront? Is this a real offer or a disguised debt trap? In this series, I will reveal everything about Klarna.
How does it work? When is it useful? When could it put you in financial trouble?
We'll be explaining the rules, the hidden fees, and the impact on your credit score, and the mistakes many people make without even realizing it. If you live in Europe or America, this series is very important for you. In this series, we'll learn about the account opening process and how you can buy now and pay later using Klarna.
A comparison between Klarna and Afterpay. A comparison between Klarna and PayPal.
A comparison between Klarna and a credit card. Is Klarna better than a credit card? And how to order a Klarna card, step by step. We'll cover Klarna card eligibility requirements and card types.
The optimal Klarna card plan, exploring its various advantages and disadvantages.
And how Klarna's cashback works, plus clever methods to boost your cashback earnings.
What happens if you're late on a Klarna payment or completely ignore it? How to use Klarna wisely and avoid any financial trouble. Things no one tells you about Klarna. Also, a look at some popular stores that accept Klarna. Why is my Klarna application rejected? How to improve approval odds.
How to contact Klarna support quickly with step-by-step troubleshooting. Welcome to the Klarna Explainer series. In this video, we'll cover how to create an account. Klarna is a global financial technology company established in 2005 in Sweden by 3 pioneering entrepreneurs who sought to revolutionize online shopping, making it both simpler and more secure for its users.
The idea was simple. Allow the customer to buy the product first, then pay later after confirming they've received it. Over time, the company dramatically evolved, introducing its Buy Now, Pay Later system. This innovative approach allows purchases to be divided into comfortable installment payments, frequently interest-free, provided deadlines are met.
Today, Klarna stands as one of the largest payment companies globally, serving millions of users across both Europe and America, and is readily available at thousands of international stores and major well-known brands. Klarna's services aren't just limited to installments. It also offers payment management through its app, a special payment card, offers and discounts, and the ability for purchase tracking and budget management. But despite its ease of use, it's important to understand how Klarna works correctly, because it's based on a credit system and could affect your financial situation if not used responsibly. Go to the Klarna website. In the top left corner, click on Login. You will be prompted to provide some essential personal details, which you must input precisely as they appear on your identification card, whether you link the account now or later. Also, be careful to avoid typos. First, enter your phone number and the verification code sent to you from Klarna. Next, add your preferred payment method. You can link a bank account, credit card, or even a debit card. You also need to create a strong and unique password for your account. Enter your email, open the verification email, and enter the code that was sent. Finally, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. And with that, you've successfully created your Klarna account. The next and most important step is to learn how to use the service smartly, so you can benefit from the Buy Now, Pay Later feature without making mistakes that could affect your financial standing. In the next video, we'll explain in detail how to shop with Klarna, step by step, and how the 4-payment system works. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the rest of the series.